What is the intro? What is it? Hello and welcome back to the GreenecoStyle YouTube channel. My name is Raylene and I am a sustainable fashion and lifestyle influencer. Yes. Okay. Today on the channel, we're going to be learning how to remove your shoulder patches in a jacket. And this is my jacket that I own. And it's a lining, so like if it was just a shirt, it'd be easy enough to take out the shoulder patches, but that's why I'm making this video, because it's inside the lining. Okay. So what you need in this video is your jacket, of course, that you're going to be taking out your shoulder patches. Thread to match your fabric, some scissors, stitch ripper, and your sewing machine right there. Your sewing machine. And you can hand sew this if you want to. You don't necessarily need a sewing machine, but it's faster with a sewing machine. So, yeah. Let's get started. Okay, so step one is you're gonna want to take your stitch ripper and stitch rip the lining in your jacket, like on the shoulder, like probably 3 inches, no more than that, I wouldn't say. It doesn't need to be like a whole size of your shoulder pad that you're taking out, just enough that you can go inside the seam line and then take your shoulder pad out. And so step 2, now you go into that seam line that you just opened up and you stitch rip the shoulder pad to take it out. Repeat the same thing for the other shoulder. Okay, so for step 3, you're gonna see now why I told you to not make such a big hole for when you take out your shoulder pad. Just closing that seam line now with the smallest edge stitch that you can make, so that it's as nice as it can look, you know. And yeah, that's literally all it is. There you have it, my friends and family. If you hand sewed this, then it'd probably look a little nicer than this, but like just to do it quickly like that, you just do an edge stitch, like I said. So like when you're taking out your shoulder patches, just, you know, make it as small of a hole as you can so that you don't have this big long, like, outside seam. But yeah, that's it. I hope that video helped you in taking out your shoulder patches in your jacket. Oh, let me know if you did it by hand. Like, if you just like stitch rip the hole and then just sew it by hand. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, hope that helped you guys out a little bit. Catch you guys in the next video. As always, ride the wave and stay hydrated.